Hello guys, this is Ethan from Jingle Mining, and today we will be unboxing the Elphapex DG1, which was once the world's best Dogecoin miner, and we will discuss whether it's still worth purchasing and offer some advice on buying the second-hand machine. So in front of me is the Elphapex DG1, and it boasts a hash rate of 14 gigahash and a power consumption of 3920 watts. And considering this efficiency for a machine released on July 2024, it remains highly competitive in the current market and including its profitability. So if we check the ASIC miner volume website, and we can see that the DG1 still has a daily profit of $9, and which is quite impressive, and moreover, its price is reasonable, and being an older model, its second-hand price is even more advantageous. However, the profits you see right now do not account for electricity cost. Later on, we will run this and to see its actual performance and the profitability. And now let's start the unboxing and go through the setup process step by step. Let's do it. Wow, it's really good protected. Okay, let me. And ladies and gentlemen, I will present you the Elphapex DG1. Oh my. This is so heavy. This machine itself is pretty long, you see. Usually it will just be like this, end up here, but this extra part is like this, pretty big and heavy. I'm looking at two power ports. I still don't know what they're for. It's just like, I don't know what they're for. It's like power supply. On the top you have the Ethernet port and IP reporter and reset button. I'm gonna try to set up this step by step. So we both know that step 1 and step 2 is just to plug in the power supply and the Ethernet cable, and the step 3 will be find the IP address of your unit. This tutorial will be work at any equipment of the Elphapex, and how we achieve step 3 is you need to go to this website, this elphapex.com download support, which I will put the link down the video at the top, and click the download on the right side. Okay, and we double click it, and again double click it, and right here. Okay, I'm sorry guys, but this is Chinese. I forgot to set up to English. Find the one has the biggest size. So we unzip it, click save. Okay, and now we're gonna go through this again. Just double click it, keep double click it. And right here, so again, there is many of these firmwares called Elphapex tools. And again, find the Elphapex tool, the app, and at this situation will be this one with 396 KB, and double click it, and don't get overwhelmed now, you just need to continue. And now we need to go to the left side and click plus, and right here you need to put your IP start to the IP end. So usually, most likely, you have the IP address of 192.168.1 point something, right? But mine is a little bit different. Mine has 2, so I'm gonna put 2, and the end will be 2 as well. And then what we need to do is to click the plus over here, and after you've done that, click yes. All right, and what we need to do is just to scan. Usually it won't take long. Right here you see, scan done, click OK, and here you go. You have the IP address of your unit. But all of this is based on the same network. Do you understand? So it's like if you're using your laptop and you're using Wi-Fi, make sure your internet is the same network. And if you're using your PC, just make sure you're having the same network as well. Okay, so now we have the IP address of your unit, right? So we need to copy this IP address. I mean, you just remember it, right? So mine has 0.2.196. And we go to the internet browser and put this in 0.196. And it requires you to put in the username and the password. So the original username and the password will be root, R-O-O-T. Also the password, R-O-O-T. Login. And don't be concerned when you see those abnormal stuff, yeah, because it's not running yet. And what we need to do is look at the top left. So if you want to do wireless mining, you need to configure your Wi-Fi as soon as you're in the backend, and then configure your mining pool. But I'm not going to do the wireless mining for now, but if you want to do, you just configure here. Okay, and for the people you're not gonna do wireless mining, make sure you go to the miner, and here is pretty crucial. You need to do your pool setting, and currently I'm using via BTC to mine my Dogecoin. Okay, so if you don't have any account, you need to create an account first, and right here you see. Right here you can choose to what kind of cryptocurrency you want to mine and select LTC. I know this is a Dogecoin mining, but using the script algorithm is like combined cryptocurrencies. So you will still get Dogecoins with most amount of is Dogecoins, but you still have some other coins like LTC, like all that stuff and all. You need to scroll to the bottom, and there you go is the pool IP address, and here is the copy, and you just copy it, go back to the backend and paste it, putting in all three selections. Okay, so the username, it will be the same as your via BTC account name, right? I know why it's not my wallet address. I mean, you still can withdraw in your via BTC account to your wallet address. I mean, in this way, it's just more simple, you know. But anyway, you can still put your wallet address right here as the username, and the password really doesn't matter. So you just put X, and save. Okay, and succeeds. Now you just need to go back to the dashboard and wait about, I don't know, 5 minutes. Usually, I don't know why, but among all the brands like Bitmain, Antminer, Goldshell, I think Elphapex does require the most of the time to start. So don't get concerned. Just wait about 5 or 10 minutes if you like. And as long as you see there is real-time hash rate and all the rates and network will back to normal, that means you have done all that and you're mining Dogecoins.